So I had this Bmw X5 coming to the shop where the electric fan in the front doesn't work and the AC keeps turning on and off. So I went to my computer to take a look at the wiring diagram, and it's get powered by the battery fuses. So it gets from the battery fuses to a relay, and the relay is located under here behind the wheel trim. There's a relay. So I had this off, and then I measured. This is a wire, a 5 amp fuse that's located in the rear trunk fuse box. That was okay. So I went a bit further. Yeah, the power has to get from the battery to the relay and then the blower motor. But I wasn't getting power between here and here. So, I can show you here. So, why wasn't I getting any power? Then I followed this red line here. This is the fuse box in the front, right side if you drive in the left side. And this fuse is powered, but this is a built-in fuse in the fuse box. So I had to change the whole fuse box itself. But it's the blower motor that keeps blowing the fuse. So new fuse box and a new fan, and now everything works.